Tia, is it fine if Mommy will fruit trip first? Yes? Okay lang? Don't worry, if you can eat solids, I'll buy you a branch of chilies. So that kasama ka na on time. Okay lang. I'll just be quick. Okay lang, please. Sige na, you made puyat me naman last month. Okay, I love you.
Guys, I already know agad what I'm gonna order. Look! 50% of chilies. Oh my gosh, I miss eating here. So let's go. Actually, parang gusto ko, I'm craving for isang branch ng chili. Parang I want the blue cheese. Okay, I'm gonna get blue cheeseburger. Just ko yung isang branch ng chilies. Isang branch.
Brunch.
Ng chilies. Isang branch. Okay ka na sa old-timer, Kuya Jay. Sige, old-timer. Burger. Ano sa'yo? Ay, gusto ko din yun! Sige, order ka yan! Yes!
Isang 4-piece.
Sis, i-5-piece mo, no? I-6-piece. I miss chilies. Thank you. Kuya Jan, are you okay with that? Ay? Exactly what I'm talking about, babes. Ate, paano ba ang tamang pagkain ng burger? Ganun ba?
Pwede naman.
Guys, you know what? I know talaga dapat hinahawakan ng burger, but this is what I do talaga. Maarte na akong maarte. Iniisa-isa ko. Oh my gosh, look. Kaya music na yan. Magre-relax pa ata ako dito. Guys, I can't subo this talaga. It's so big. Can I try that burger then? The ultimate bacon burger. Next burger. Guys, my favorite. Are you still there? No. Guys, I'm so full. Grabe. The burger is so sulit and imagine 50% off siya because it's gonna be burger day!